if you hold it like this, you can get the oil down in there and it'll get all into the gears, and made a huge difference. I'm not saying that I'm doing this right, but I'm just saying that it made a big difference. So spinning this around like that got way easier. In fact, you can almost spin it and it'll keep going on its own, versus it was a little bit of a struggle. I mean, I could turn it, but it definitely wasn't like really free feeling. And now, I mean, it'll kind of go a little on its own. So huge difference. The other thing, I'm going to go show that collet, but the other thing I wanted to mention is this plastic gear had a little bit of damage on 3 of the teeth. And so what I found when I put it back in there was that when you turn this thing, it would kind of get to where it would hit a bind. And so I ended up having to trim a little bit of damage off of 3 of these teeth, just so that, like, to make sure that the gear was lining up, so that these teeth, plastic teeth, were going in between the metal teeth, not riding on it, which it looked like somehow had happened on 3 of the teeth, to where it kind of mashed the plastic a little, but not the entire tooth, just like, you know, like the end up here. So I ended up trimming it off. You're probably not going to be able to see it on here, but I just used a razor blade. Now I'm not even seeing it too good, but anyway, razor blade and like some little nippers, and trim that to where now when I put this back in here, and this does have one preferential way to go, which looks like it's that. Okay, so now when I turn this thing, I got no problem. I mean, it's nice and easy. So, which is what you want. So anyway, there's a big difference there. So now let me go show that collet real quick, just so folks can see what I'm talking about when you go to remove the cable from out of this.